Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft the Tidal Stove in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to unlock the recipe, the Tidal Stove recipe. You can unlock it after you complete quest from Masimo. And Masimo is here in the Whalefall Canyon. Right here you can take the quest from Masimo and complete the quest, and after that you will unlock the Tidal Stove recipe. And then you're going to go to your workbench and scroll down until you find the Tidal Stove recipe, and these are the materials that you need to craft this item. You need stone, quality timber, and also the pearl oyster material pack. You can get it from completing daily quest, and then I'm going to craft it. Okay, oops, it's locked. Okay, I have unlocked it, and yeah, I've just made the Tidal Stove, and we can cook Call of Whales food with this stove. Okay guys, and that's how we can craft the Tidal Stove in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!